my mom, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mashup Travel. I hope you all are doing very well. I'm very well. Today is 25th of September. We are traveling to Scotland, to Glasgow for a wedding. I will be taking you along to show you how long does it take and what it entails in British Pakistani weddings. So chalo chalte hain and we'll see what we are up to. It's nearly 10 o'clock. So we will be driving ourselves down. It's only me and Jav going. We will be back tomorrow. Let's go and put our luggage in the car. I thought I was driving. Petrol break. The UK petrol prices. Petrol in the UK, I should say within the last 6 months, has gone so high. It's like we used to pay 45 to 50 pounds for the full tank for our car, which comes up to like 85 to 90 pounds nowadays. So let's see, our car already had about like less than a quarter. So अब देखते हैं कि how much it comes up to. 73 pounds it came up to, but the thing is, as I said, we already had some petrol in the car, so
like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
2 hours in the journey and we have stopped at the service station for some coffee. Let's go and have some coffee. Yay!
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
It's very busy to be on Sunday, yeah. But then people may be going back from their weekend or something, wherever they've come from, innit? That's why the big box of Krispy Kremes for Jav's sister Syra. Yeah, that's it. It's £15.45. There we go. Jav? Jay's happy with the donuts. He can't wait to have one. So let's get back on the road. Sweeties. That's my mom.
Which island?
Yeah, on you go. Do it. अच्छा है खाना कैसा था बहुत अच्छा excellent I love the starters yeah Thank you very much for watching and do not forget to subscribe for more from Southeast Turkey and Pakistan coming soon.